Just go in the community, mobilize the donors, they come to the place, and then you collect the volunteer, they collect the blood from them.
Yes, this is our donor tracing database system we have here. This is our the main the databases. We use it for capturing donor information. We get the donor information from these donor forms where they have to go through the whole process of counseling before they get to donate the blood with the nurses. Then they bring these cards here. We have to enter them in the system. So if you want to enter this information, you have to click here on enter donor information. Then you can search first if this donor number is already in the system by clicking down the donor number and finding out. Then you just enter the donor number you have here. Then if the donor number is not there, it will obviously tell you that it's not there. Then you enter the donor number and all the donor information, the name, and the donor himself or herself will indicate whether they've donated blood before here and all that. Then after entering the donor information, you get the results from the lab for the donors. Then you come and enter them again in the system using this form, analysis results. You can check if the donor is there. You can also check the results for a particular donor, and you can also print it out. You can have it in a hard copy. Yes, I think there should be more. Like at least you can be able to print out for instance, just the female donors you want, or you can just print out the donors who are like for a particular blood group. Maybe if it's just blood group O, you just want to see donors with blood group O, it should be able to print out that. But at the moment, it's not printing out just that. Yes, they are now building a new system, of which I think all these other reports where we need, like what I'm just from saying, if you need a blood group, a certain blood group only, you want to see a certain blood group only, I think all that will be shown, and you can generate reports much easier than it is at the moment.